Topic and Research Design, Presentation and Rationale by Brenda Bush. Hi, my name is Brenda Bush. I will be conducting my presentation based on my research design for social learning theory. Social learning is the observations of others, people, behaviors. Social learning theory proposes that children's real life experiences and exposures directly or indirectly shape their behavior. Processes by which this learning occurs can be diverse and include reinforcement. My research question: what strategies do children use to learn behaviors from others? Social skills and positive behavior strategies are critical when it comes to the social emotional health of young children. Children's strategies for managing emotions, resolving disputes, and engaging with others are learned from experiences and carried forward across setting and time. For younger children, especially, the primary source of these experiences is the parent child and family relationship environment. Children who learn positive behavior strategies will have better peer interactions in social settings than students who do not learn positive behavioral strategies. My literature review. The research literature examined the mechanisms by which adolescent mothers' social competency was associated with children's developmental outcomes via child compliance using three ways of data spanning from the time children were 36 to 60 months old. The research also used a controlled research method. In this research study, the author used data to prove or provide insight, which includes structural equation modeling. Research on social learning theory. The Bobo doll experimental research on social learning was conducted by Albert Bandura. Bandura conducted an experiment on observational learning. The Bobo doll experiment was conducted to investigate if social behaviors will be acquired by observation and intimidation of others. The research literature examined the mechanisms by which adolescents, mothers' social competence was associated with children's developmental outcomes, their child compliance. Research methods. The research methods used for social learning is the non-experimental observational design, laboratory experiments, and the naturalistic observation. Research approach, design, and rationale. To answer my research question, I can apply the quantitative experimental design. This approach allows me to test an idea, treatment, program to see if it makes a difference. There's a control group and a test group. Individuals are randomly assigned to two groups. One group gets the treatment, the test group, and the other group, the control group, does not get the treatment. If there is a pre and post test for both groups in a traditional experimental design. Ethical issues. Informed consent is one of the means by which patients' right to autonomy is protected. The ethical principle: be of benefit and do not harm, respect for and confidentiality, respect for privacy, vulnerable group of people, skills of the researcher. Ethical standards to social learning theory. Unethical behaviors are found as related to the social influences of capitalism and laws. To address these issues, one, by being conscious of multiple roles, follow informed consent rules, and by respecting confidentiality and privacy. Conclusion. People in our environment that we watch, study, and learn from is our models. Other people's behaviors influence how we act, think, and feel. Our environmental models could be our parents, teachers, peers, or television characters. Children often intimidate the behaviors they see. Social skills and positive behavior strategies are critical when it comes to social emotional health of young children. Children's strategies for managing emotions, resolving disputes, and engaging with others are learned from experiences and carried forward across setting and time. What strategies do children use to learn behaviors from others? Children who learn positive behavior strategies will have better peer interactions in social settings than students who do not learn behavior strategies. My references. Thank you for your time.